हेलो एवरीवन. A lot of you have been messaging me कि सर मैंने फर्स्ट या सेकंड मॉक दी और बहुत डिमोटिवेट फील कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. Some of you have messaged me कि सर मेरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, मैं मॉक स्टार्ट करूँ क्या. Some of you are telling me, have messaged me that सर मैंने अलग अलग यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखे हैं, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं मॉक स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. When should I start the mock? So this video will answer all your queries regarding when should you start the mocks as per the date or as per the situation or as per both. What should be the proper sequence to start the mocks? So let us start. तो सबसे पहले तो डिस्कस करते हैं कि what should be the correct strategy to start the mocks. Unfortunately, बहुत सारे students directly jump to the sectionals as well as full length mocks. That is not the correct way of starting. सबसे पहले you should be confident about some topics. पहले topic wise में भी concept test दीजिए, फिर topic wise test दीजिए, and at least 10 PYQs of that particular topic so that you feel confident of that topic. That should be the strategy. उसके बाद you should be taking area wise tests. For example, we provide around 80 to 90 area wise tests to our students. That is arithmetic के 10-12 tests, algebra के we have around 12 to 13 tests, so on and so forth. So you should be attempting at least 2 or 3 area wise tests before you should go for an actual mock. उसके बाद you should be attempting a sectional minimum 3 per subject, that is 3 of DILR, 3 of ERC and then 3 of quant, minimum 3 sections before you go for an actual mock, and then you should go for an actual mock. So this whole process, if you ask me, takes around 15 to 20 days. And obviously this should include PYQs, particularly of quant and DILR, at least 15 PYQs of each topic. That is something that you should be solving. A topic that you are thorough about कि इसके questions तो मैं attempt ही करने वाला हूँ. Let's say for example, quant is very vast. I'm not asking you to cover the PYQs of all the 25 topics, but let us understand. Okay? So this should be the proper sequence. It will take around 15 to 20 days for you to complete this. Moving ahead, how should you plan? As per the situation, as per the dates, September, October, November, August, कब start करना है, या you should focus on situation or equivalently both. Let us discuss. So if you particularly ask me, sir, what should be the strategy and when should I start? So situation based on the syllabus. If in VRC you are maintaining a 50% of accuracy in sectionals, या फिर in the test that you are solving, be it area wise or be it topic wise, if you have around 50% of accuracy, you are fit enough to start the mock. In DILR, if you are able to solve one CAT level set in 25 minutes, do not pressurize yourself कि I want to solve 3 sets or 4 sets in 40 minutes. It is not very possible. ठीक है, अगर आपका एक सेट भी हो रहा है 25 मिनट में calmly, then it's okay because you have around 40 minutes of section of DILR. उसमें मान लीजिए 5 to 7 minutes goes in skipping or goes in attempting a wrong set, and rest of the 25 minutes में आप अगर आप एक properly set कर पा रहे हो, that is good enough. If you are in this particular situation, CAT level का एक set हो रहा है आपका 25 minutes में, good enough, green signal for a mock. And particularly अगर मैं quant की बात करूं, because the syllabus is very vast, if you are confident about at least one of the sections of quant, that is arithmetic or algebra, geometry or modern maths, any of these one. Okay, I'm not asking if you are confident about the full syllabus. Obviously, it is not possible. No one feels confident about the entire syllabus of quant. It is highly impossible. Because अगर आप कोई topper से भी पूछे, someone who has scored around 99 or 99 point something percentile in quant section, he or she attempts only 12 questions out of 22 or 13 questions out of 22 to score that much. So कोई भी पूरा quant का section तो solve ही नहीं करने वाला है. So let's say अगर आपका कोई भी एक proper हो चुका है, arithmetic या algebra या फिर geometry or modern maths, one situation, and the second situation of that particular section, that is arithmetic हो या algebra हो या geometry या modern maths हो, उसके 4 questions, 4 CAT level questions, if you are able to solve in 25 minutes correctly, you are fit enough to take a mock. Please make sure that anything that you are solving is of CAT level before going for the actual mock. If you fulfill all of these criteria, you are fit for a mock. Now, ये सारी situations, whether it is this is coming in August, whether this is coming in September or this is coming in October mid, it is perfectly fine. If you are a repeater, obviously you should start as early as possible, maybe somewhere in August end or something of that sort. But अगर आप repeater नहीं हो, you are someone who is attempting the CAT for the very first time, and you find this situation not very soon, not in August, not in September, but somewhere in October mid, there is no need to panic. It's okay. You may start the mock in October mid as well. You may attempt 5 to 6 mocks. Mocks are very important, but pressurizing yourself and demotivating yourself and then leaving the CAT journey is not a good thing. There is a strategy that I've already told you. You can you can take the mock as early as August or as late as October mid or October end. That is perfectly fine. But you should fulfill all this criteria before starting a mock so that you don't feel demotivated. Last but not the least, if you would want to know how to analyze your mock, drop in the comment section. We'll make a detailed video about mock test analysis. And the most important video that I would like to make is whether the CAT calculator is useful in CAT or how to use a calculator in CAT. That is something that I would like to make a video on. If you want the video, make sure that you drop in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram. We'll be coming up with more such videos, also with the revisions on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.